What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a great night. And I am out walking. Got my Garmin Fenix 6 Sapphire Titanium watch on my wrist. And this is kind of cool when it's dark out and at a certain level of darkness, it adjusts. So when you actually look to your face, and let's see, it should be coming on. There you go. It comes on, and then eventually when you put your wrist down, it turns off, and you can see it just turned off, and then it came back on, and it let's see if it turns back off. It should turn off. There you go. So very, very cool feature. Let me know if you have any questions. I don't know why it took an extra second to turn on initially, but I love it. So I just wanted to share this feature with you if you are looking at getting the Garmin Fenix 6 Sapphire Titanium and the other models as well. All right, everybody, have a great night.